If you've got tight shoulders and you're looking for a way to loosen them up really easily without too much effort, this is for you. So what I've got here, I've got a loop band and I've got that tied up to the top of four-wheel drive just because that's what I've got available, but you can tie it up to whatever is nice and high and stable for you. What you want to do is loop your hand up through the band and just gently over the top with your hand. You don't want to grip on tight. And from here, all you're going to do is lean back, one hand over the top, and just lean back into it, getting a big stretch out through your shoulders, through your lats. And from here, we can rotate the hand out. We can stand up into the same thing, rotate the hand. You can pull back through your shoulder blades. You can face the opposite arm so the band is pulling right through the back. You can open up into a pec stretch and open up through here as well. And just by doing this for a good, I like to spend about 5 minutes all up, and that will help to pull the shoulder out. They call dislocation, so pulling the shoulder out, making some space through that ball and socket joint, so all the surrounding musculature just loosens up enough. From there you can go on to doing your stretches from there. I'd suggest doing that and then just going into your basic pec stretch up against a wall or door frame. Make sure that elbow is at shoulder height or slightly above, and that's going to really do a lot of work to open up this shoulder area. What we commonly see is a lot of tightness through here from people sitting in this tight, hunched over position at a keyboard, typing all day, on your phone, sitting on there. All right, this is all getting tight and really bunched up. We've got to reverse it by opening up. So instead of being so tight through here, like I said, get into these series of stretches, open everything up, finish off with that pec stretch. And if you find you're really tight, get a lacrosse ball or a massage ball and work on up against the wall, just across this tissue of your pec minor and into your anterior shoulder. You can even just get your thumb in there right into the joint and just push away at it. It'll hurt like hell, but it does a great job for opening everything up. Hope it helps. Go and do some work.